Thank you for watching. And from the title, you will learn how a $1 investment could change your life and make you a money magnet. But you have to put in work. You have to put in work. Keep watching this video to the end. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for your support. And you see this $1 bill, right? Everybody got $1 bills. Go into your wallet, go into your safe, and grab a $1 bill. I'll use some time. All right, now do you have your $1 bill? If you don't, pause the video and go get a $1 bill. All right, thank you for coming back with your $1 bill. Now I need you to hold that $1 bill. I need you to hold it like you holding on for dear life. I need you to close your eyes. I need you to really close your eyes and see that you have multiple $1 bills in your hand. Multiple $1 bills in your hand. Can you see it? Can you see all those $1 bills? You have to really see it. You have to really feel it. Hold on to that $1 bill. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Really feel that you have multiple $1 bills in your hand. Feel that you're counting so much money. So much money. Now I want you to say, thank you, $1 bill. Thank you, $1 bill, for bringing me $5 bills. Thank you, $1 bill, for bringing me $10 bills. Thank you, $1 bill, for bringing me $20 bills. Thank you, $1 bill, for bringing me $50 bills. Thank you, $1 bill, for bringing me $100 bills. Every day, every week, every month. Thank you, $1 bill, that I can enjoy this multiple streams of income, residual income, passive income, safe from harm. Thank you, $1 bill. Thank you, $1 bill, for making me a big money magnet. Thank you, $1 bill. Thank you, $1 bill, for making me wealthy. Thank you, $1 bill. Thank you, $1 bill, for having people loving to give me money in unlimited amounts. Thank you, $1 bill. Thank you, $1 bill, for making me able to invest, save, share, and enjoy having you in multiples. Thank you, $1 bill. Thank you, $1 bill. Thank you so much, $1 bill. Now I want you to read. Never stop learning, because life never stops teaching. Thank you, $1 bill. The expert in anything was once a beginner. Thank you, $1 bill. It doesn't get easier, you get stronger. Thank you, $1 bill. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary is just that little extra. Thank you, $1 bill. You could be a wish, you can make a wish, or you can make it happen. Thank you, $1 bill. Don't be afraid to fail. Be afraid not to try. Thank you, $1 bill. Sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. Thank you, $1 bill. Success doesn't come from what you do occasionally. It comes from what you do consistently. Thank you, $1 bill. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary is just that little. Thank you, $1 bill. Don't be afraid to fail. Be afraid not to try. Thank you, $1 bill. You can pause this video and scan that QR code if you're looking for somebody to be your soulmate that want to get money with you as well. Somebody that's a money magnet. Somebody that's going to be there to build with you. Thank you, $1 bill. You can wish or you can make it happen. Thank you, $1 bill. You're capable of more than you know. Thank you, $1 bill. You gotta really believe you're a money magnet. You gotta really feel that you're a money magnet. You gotta feel that you are the greatest thing on earth. You gotta really feel positive energy. You gotta really put out positive energy. You gotta believe you're a money magnet. You gotta believe that you're successful. You gotta believe that you're wealthy, that you are worthy of all things that you deserve in abundance. Thank you, $1 bill. Stay positive, work hard, and make it happen. Thank you, $1 bill. Grow through what you go through. Thank you, $1 bill. You're a money magnet. Money is energy. Money is currency. You're going to flow because money going to flow to you. You got to really feel it. You got to really want it. You got to really desire to be successful, be wealthy, but also be able to be healthy, invest in your health so that you can be able to enjoy the wealth. Thank you, $1 bill. Money comes to me in abundance every day. Money comes to me fast. Money comes to me easy. Money love my company. You gotta feel that. You gotta see that every single day, every minute. You gotta think it. You gotta dream it. It doesn't matter what others are doing. It matters what you're doing. Thank you, $1 bill. You gotta invest in yourself. You gotta be the best investment because the best investment is you. You are the best investment. Your health is the best investment. Your happiness is the best investment. Your mental health is the best investment. You know what I mean? You are so wonderful. You are so blessed. Don't give up. Success doesn't come from what you do occasionally. It comes from what you do consistently. If you never try, you never know. Thank you, $1 bill. That's what we got. How this $1 bill investment could change your life and make you a money magnet. You got to feel it. You got to look at this video and say, yes, everything in this video, all these positive affirmations, all this energy that I'm feeling right now is positive, and I'm going to be all right. I'm not going to give up. I'm going to be successful. You got to feel it. You got to watch this video and really feel it. Can you feel it? Can you feel all this money coming to you in abundance? Can you feel the money coming to your bank account, coming into your wallet, coming into your pocket, coming into your hand, coming to you in mailbox money? All this money is coming to you. Thank you, $1 bill. Thank you so much. Thank you for making me a money magnet, making me powerful. I was already powerful. With more money, you know what I'm saying? I'm able to have fun, be able to invest, be able to pay bills, be able to share, do random acts of kindness. Thank you, $1 bill. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for making me a powerful, successful, making me want to do so much with you that's in the positive energy. Not just for myself, not being selfish, but do for others as well. Thank you, $1 bill. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I am so grateful. I'm so appreciative. Thank you, $1 bill. Every accomplishment starts with this decision to try. You got this. You got this. So make sure that you put on the comment section below, I'm a money magnet. I'm a money magnet today. I'm a money magnet every day. I'm a money magnet every week. I'm a money magnet every month. Put that below. I'm a money magnet every day, every week, every month, every minute. I'm a money magnet. Yes, you are a money magnet. You are powerful. You are strong. You are blessed. Anything that you want in life is coming to you in abundance. You can feel it, right? You still hold on to that $1 bill. Hold on to that $1 bill. Really feel more money is coming to you today. More money is coming to you every day. More money coming to you every minute. You got to really feel it. Say, I'm a money magnet. Say that out loud. If you're not at work, but if you're in your house, if you're somewhere that you could just say it in a safe space, say it. I'm a money magnet. I know I'm a money magnet. I know I'm powerful. I know I'm strong. I know I'm grateful. I know I'm blessed. I'm a money magnet. Money comes to me in abundance. Put it below. I'm a money magnet. I'm a money magnet. Every day, every week, every month, I'm a money magnet. Your only limit is in your mind. It's the only limit. You know what I'm saying? You got this. Yes, you can pause this video and scan that QR code. If you're looking for a soulmate, Looking for a soulmate, somebody that can count this money with you, get this money with you. You don't have to do it alone. You have a partner with you, getting money with you. Looking for a soulmate, scan that QR code, pause it and scan it. But I want you to focus. Stay focused on your goal to be a money magnet. You gotta really feel it. Thank you, Dollar Bill. Thank you so much, Dollar Bill. I'm a money magnet every day, every minute, every hour, every week, every month. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Make sure you comment below. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Thank you so much. Make sure you read the video description. That's important. Make sure you claim your free gifts. All right? Thank you so much. Have a nice day, afternoon, evening. Peace and blessings.